Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we will be talking about gold and discuss if the top is in for this cycle or not. In the last few months, gold has had a reasonable drop. It has had almost like a 27-28% drop from all-time highs. If we look at the previous two major bull markets in gold, we can see that we have those kind of drops in bull markets. This is not something new. This one over here was the 29% drop. This one over here was a 48% drop. And gold still went higher after that. The last bull market for gold, it first had a 25% drop, and then it had a 30% drop, 33% drop, and gold still went higher in the coming years. I think the line that we need to look at is the bull market support band for gold, which is the 20-month SMA and the 21-month EMA. I think this is the line. This is the line in the sand, which you don't want to fall below or have monthly closes below, because previously, when that happens, I mean the bull market for gold is over. In the bull market itself, the only time we really fall below those lines in the last two bull markets, then we fell below that line. That means that basically happened when there was a recession in the United States. So you can go down in the bull market, not below the bull market support band. And the only time you go below the bull market support band and still have a move higher is after a US recession. It happened in 1974, and it happened again in 2000, the crash in 2008, 2009. Other than that, unless we have a recession, you don't want to see gold close below the bull market support band. What I think the most likely outcome for gold is from anywhere from now, basically July to October, I think gold will just go sideways till the bull market support band catches up, and then it will go higher by the end of the year. Why I say that? As we can see in the previous two midterm years, which is 2022 and 2018, gold went down the first half of the year and then had a rally in the second half of the year. Same thing in 2018. It went down into the summer till August, first half, then rallied up the second half. In 2018, it bottomed in August. In 2022, it bottomed in October, September, October. So I think you will see something similar. Gold will probably bottom somewhere September, October, and then move higher by the end of the year. The correction that we have right now is very similar to the one we had in 1976. 1973, my bad. We had a 28% drop, 29% drop. We went up for the next few years, had a recession, came back down, and then still went higher by the end of the decade. You can see something similar maybe. Gold has a 29% drop, then it rallies back up. Maybe you get a recession, comes back down below the bull market support band, and then it goes higher by the end of the decade. And the only thing to watch out for is basically the bull market support band. You don't want to close below this. Until we're above this, we're good. And I think gold will probably range between like 3,800 to like 4,200 for the next few months. I think that's a good buying zone with long-term accumulation, as I don't think gold will go below these prices in the coming years. As you can see here, once you bought gold in this correction over here, even with the recession, it never went back to those prices. Same thing over here. And once you was buying gold over here, even with the recession, event close, but not below it. You didn't go underwater. Still had to move higher by the end of the cycle. So I personally don't think the top is in for gold. I think gold has a lot more room to run till the end of the decade. And let me know if what you guys want my next video to be about. Most likely it will be about Tesla, as I think Tesla is doing what I expected it to do, which is to have this final drop. Everything else is played out. Basically the same thing like last cycle. You have this all-time high, then you go sideways. You have all-time high, you go sideways. Then you make a new all-time high, you go sideways. You make a new all-time high, you go sideways. And then you have this one final drop. So I think we're in that final drop right now. I'll talk more about that in the next video. If you guys have any questions, any comments, any suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.